Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is a collaboration that is hosted by Wanda from Miss Amaechi. You also can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All, and I am the co-host C'Aira. So today's video is a what I eat in a day. So this morning I'm up, I'm out. It's already 9:08, and I am going to head off to Starbucks. I definitely want a nice hot drink this morning, as it is only about 40 degrees here this morning. And then obviously I'm going to need to get me some breakfast from there while I'm already there. And then I will head off to another place before I head home, just to grab me a snack for later. Yeah.
Okay. Does everything on the screen look okay for you?
Yeah. I love it while it's hot. Love it. So normally when I go to Starbucks, I order like frappuccinos, but because it's so cold this morning, I just went ahead and got a grande white chocolate mocha. All right, so now I'm gonna go get my smoothie bowl. That way I can have that in a little bit once I get home. Still drinking on my coffee.
Oh no, like.
Okay, so I've been eating everything under the sun at home, and so I'm getting ready to head over to Kung Fu Tea to grab a milk tea for me, Charles, and Cam. Okay, so I've been eating so much stuff at home, like that it's time to get ready to go and get dinner while I'm in the mood to go out and get something. So I'm gonna go over here to Mission Barbecue to get dinner for us. And so I think I'm in the mood for a pulled pork sandwich with some good old barbecue sauce from there, but All right, so there we are, our food from Mission Barbecue for dinner. And so I'll show you guys the flavors. We got the Texas Twang barbecue sauce as well as the Memphis Belle. And I got 2 of the Smoky Mountain. So first in here is the kids meal for Cam, the mac and cheese along with the ribs. Next, we ended up getting the full baby back ribs, greens. I think that this is a roll or cornbread, and then mac and cheese. Next, we have fries, macaroni and cheese, and then the pulled pork for myself. And last but not least, we have the baked beans and the chicken slider for Sly.